Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oil of oregano tincture. First, you'll need to gather your fresh oregano, a good quality carrier oil like olive or grapeseed, and a clean glass jar. It's crucial to sterilize all your equipment beforehand to prevent any unwanted contamination. Selecting a high-quality oil ensures a potent and effective final product. Let's get started on this simple process. Once your ingredients are ready, wash your fresh oregano thoroughly and ensure it's completely dry to avoid introducing water into the oil. Next, roughly chop the leaves to help release their aromatic compounds and beneficial properties into the oil. Fill your clean glass jar approximately 2/3 full with the chopped oregano, leaving enough space for the oil to cover it completely. Now, pour your chosen carrier oil over the chopped oregano, making sure the leaves are fully submerged by at least 1 inch. Seal the jar tightly with its lid. Place the jar in a warm, dark location, like a pantry or cupboard. Remember to gently shake the jar once a day for a period of 2 to 4 weeks to aid in the infusion process. After the infusion period, it's time to strain your oil. Use a cheesecloth or a very fine mesh strainer to separate the oil from the oregano solids. Make sure to squeeze out every last drop of oil from the plant material. Transfer your finished oil of oregano tincture into a dark glass bottle and store it in a cool, dark place. It should remain potent for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.